Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? It's good to see you again. It's been a minute since we dropped a video. Missed y'all. The shop is back open. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's doing well, considering the circumstances and times. We got an unconventional shoe review today on a pair of sneakers that just came in. The homie Mo Cheeks got him in. He was really excited about him. He's been waiting forever for him. I know a lot of other people have been waiting forever for him too. So today we are gonna take a look at the worn Lotus Jason Voorhees inspired SB Dunk. First thing you're gonna notice, packaging. Love the packaging, it's on point. Got the custom tag, you got the Jason hit on the lid of the box, and then you've got some smaller details like the worn Lotus hit on the front right corner, and on the back side as well, worn Lotus logo, and a small little hit on the bottom. Now, these dropped all the way back before the world was completely messed up in November. So they retailed for 300 bucks, and they're just starting to show up. Obviously, COVID caused a lot of delays and issues with the manufacturing on the shoes and the shipping, so they got delayed. But Warren Lotus and his company were mad cool to their customers, gave away a lot of free merch to everybody who ordered a pair as a thank you for being patient and waiting for the shoes. So open up the packaging. First thing you're gonna notice is the dust bag with the Jason hit, fire, and the custom Jason Voorhees paper that says this is a Warren Lotus product. Pretty sick details. I gotta say, they didn't skimp on the packaging, and for a $300 shoe, they shouldn't. So I'm a big fan of the dust bag and the paper. But let's get to the shoes. Now, a few things you're gonna notice as you take in the design. These were inspired by the Jason SB Dunk Low samples that were never released. You've probably seen those on the internet quite a bit. They definitely command a pretty high price, very hard to come across. Don't even know if there's any in excellent condition anymore these days. But they're inspired by those, and they did their own Warren Lotus spin on them. Now, I gotta say, some of the materials are on point. First glance, you're gonna notice the big difference is the Nike swoosh, which is the custom Jordan swoosh, and it is like out of a suede material. This is probably my favorite part of the shoe. The details on it are sick. I think it definitely makes the shoe pop and stand out. So something that I didn't anticipate being as dope as it is. Now, you got the red suede hit around the toe box, and then you got the leather panels on the toe box, the mid panel, and the ankle collar. I'm not a huge fan of the leather, to be honest with you, but it does feel really well constructed. Like, this does not feel like a cheap shoe. They feel really well put together, sewn on really well. I don't see a ton of huge like manufacturing errors. So that's something, you know, definitely to be excited about, because I'm sure it's not easy to make a custom shoe. I don't know what all goes into it, but I know it's definitely not easy. So shout out to Warren Lotus team for executing this. It does have the fat tongue. Now, same thing here. I feel like the quality on the tongue is a little bit less than what I would anticipate, just on this like material that's holding the cushioning in. That feels a little thin. But other than that, you've got the Warren Lotus custom tag on the front and inside of the tongue. And then you've got the hit on the back as well, normally where Nike Air would be. Take a look at the bottom here. You got the Warren Lotus hit on the bottom as well. And then if you look on the inside, you've got another Warren Lotus hit on the inside of the shoe. Now, there's rumored to be about 1,000 pairs, I think, is what Warren Lotus said when he dropped them. So there should be about 1,000 pairs of these in existence as far as what was released online. Resale right now, as we're shooting this video, is somewhere around like 800 to 1,000. So if you didn't get these on the drop, they sold out instantly. You're definitely gonna have to fork over a pretty penny to get these. But I will say, I don't know if I'd pay the resale on them, but if you got them for the 300, definitely worth it. Definitely a cool shoe, and you're definitely gonna stand out when you rock these, especially with the Nike Dunk and SB craze right now. These are definitely gonna stand out and pop, and I'm sure you get a lot of compliments. So take another look here at the packaging. Once again, it does come with extra red laces, which I almost forgot. Comes with the stock white laces in them. Red laces as the extra option. Overall, I gotta say, a job well done. Let us know what you think about these in the comments, and if you're gonna be picking up a pair. We'll see you again soon on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.